Hello friends, today we are preparing milk tea. Let us start now. Boil water in a saucepan. Add 2 teaspoons of tea powder and boil it mint, cinnamon and cardamom or tea masala while preparing it for nice full tea. Boil it in medium flame for 6 to 5 minutes or rise. Then we add ginger and ilachi powder. After 5 to 6 minutes, we add 2.5 spoons of sugar, 1.5 glasses of milk, boil it or until bubble starts to arise. You will see change in color of the tea from milky shade to brown shade when it is ready. Turn off the gas and strain tea in cups. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified for post my new videos. Thank you.